As we get ready for a spring storm, as Bree mentioned, historic flash flooding last March is still fresh for many in Middle Tennessee.
6 people died in that flooding, which also destroyed 500 homes and businesses. News Channel 5's Hannah McDonald takes us to South Nashville, where major flooding changed the landscape.
This many vacant homes in a row is a sight you don't often see in Davidson County. But these homes are not for sale. The city owns them. The 9 boarded-up homes on Elysian Fields Road and 15 more close by were bought by Metro Water Services after a flood at the end of last March.
The water came up so fast, and it came up here to this top step.
A few streets away, Tom Kiermeyer recalls the flood that wiped out his backyard and everything in it.
We had 6 feet of water in the backyard, real quick, came through. Killed 9 bushes. You can still see there's 2 dead ones up there. I had an F-150, 2 SUVs, all ruined.
If the city had offered to buy his South Nashville home, Kiermeyer is not sure where he would have moved.
Where do you go? Because what we paid for this 15 years ago, it's quadrupled in price, but so's everybody else's.
Nevertheless, he does still have concerns about his property. 7 Mile Creek, which rose 6 feet above flood stage last year, is still in bad shape right behind his house.
No wonder any water can get down that creek with all that debris and trees and stuff.
Others on Milner Drive who have stayed have taken their own precautions. Some have spent thousands to elevate their homes.
We were a lot more fortunate than the rest of our neighbors.
In all, 53 homes in this part of South Nashville could have been sold to the city.
To me, it'd be a whole lot easier to fix the creek than it would be to buy 6 or 7 houses, especially at today's market.
In South Nashville, Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.